Spoke Production. Spoke Production.
Friendly bet, a pound, everybody in the net. First man to fill out collects a pound of it. £1 into that's £8 profit.
What's happening?
Hey.
Hey, you ready to fish, yeah?
Over here, man. I'll show you how we use the jig. Pull the little lever back, let it go to the bottom. When it hits bottom, it'll go loose. When that happens, just lock it up. Yeah, just make sure the line's tight, it comes straight out the front. Then just wind in about 2-3 turns of water. And then just do nice smooth jigs with these. And then when you feel a jiggle, the right button on the jiggle, then just go into wind mode. You hold it like this. Hold this hand. Am I ready? Yeah, have a go with that one. So I get the other one ready and don't see it.
Shark, catch, hunt. This don't count for the pound.
Yeah, this will have for a bit.
You want to be a skipper? You want the sider?
Oh man, I'll take one later.
Squid.
No, we're on feathers.
No, look, some squid. Yeah,
that's
squid.
That's a bit of squid, yeah, we just chop in a little
That's our
thin
dogfish,
strips.
isn't it?
So you have a little bit of worm and a thin strip.
Worm and squid, yeah? Look, Rich.
Yeah, a little bit of worm, a little bit of thin strip squid.
Worm
The
and...
worms are black lugs. Yeah, black lug, yeah.
It's in rivers, isn't it?
Yeah, they're rivers, they're on like river banks, but the tidal one. And also on the beach.
No, they like the saltwater one.
Yeah, well they're all saltwater ones. You will find them in the rivers, but they're tidal rivers they're in.
Gotcha.
So you'll get them in Thames. Quite far up Thames. Yeah, these, they land straight on the bottom. Just let them all the way down, then you lock them up.
Yeah, but you gotta hit the bottom and then wind up.
It's a bit boring until we get them. But once you start getting them,
Weather and all that. Look, Miles is nice for it, bro. Jay, short, I told you. Now do it back up. Now do your catch back up. Yeah, now leave it. No, don't read it. You said what?
You catch anything here?
nah, I'm not catching
Say nothing, man. You catch anything?
No, man.
Oh, man. Hey. Hey, you catch anything?
Yeah.
Jesus.
A cold.
Hey. Say nothing. Hey. You catch anything? Not yet. Hey. Hey. You catch anything? Hey.
Ready to go.
You catch anything yet?
Heartbreaking, isn't it?
You catch anything?
Oh, no, man.
You catch anything? Madness. It's a drop. I call down myself out.
Hold it. Look how small that thing
First
is,
fish of the
man.
day.
It's so small, his fucking head looks huge.
Hey. Minor. You got that.
It's rules for him. 20. To do, man.
Hey.
That can't spike you or nothing, can it?
You. Second one of the day for man them.
Oh man, too short.
It's alright, it's alright.
Centimetre and a half too short.
That's me.
27 they're gonna be.
Okay. 27. Just out.
He's 25 and a half. Yeah, like 26-ish, yeah. Teeny little one.
Hey, that's got 6. Look at that. Can we use that as live bait?
We use them as live bait sometimes, yeah.
Dad, use that as live bait. Can we use it?
Well, we could try, but I don't know what we'd get here. I gotta go somewhere else for it. That one in the middle.
Oh, they have to be a size to use as live bait as well.
27 to keep, but live bait, that's
Any size.
cannon fodder.
And you know, yeah, I'm hungry to death.
Alright, Steve's in the lead, yeah? 2-1. Thanks, man. I walk one. Jesus Christ.
Alright, give me a,
Jake, man, walk one, man.
No catches today, bro.
Steve going ham, Steve going in.
Hey. Catching the fish or what when you catch it? Dad, use that as live bait. Alright, he's on. That's a breed.
Blue.
Hey.
Hey. Come on, Jay. Well done.
Say night, 5 man, yeah?
Yes, we do.
No, we have to bang it in the head with something.
Well done, son.
Fucking, I see you look. Look at the size of it, bro.
On the head, then I'm pushing going.
Is it?
Yeah, it's not going to snap out of it.
Come on, Jaden.
You can hit him as a fucking guy. Yeah, it looks dead. Put it in water if fucking comes back to life. Yeah. Certain areas today, because it was we did even if we come in.
Classic.
In your little
Go a bit slow, go a bit slow. Jake's on, you know.
So load of gas, yeah? Very gas, yeah?
Dad, look.
Hey. Hey, there's one there. Hey. Same thing, yeah?
Big one, boy.
Alright.
What one you know, Rich?
No. Hey, say nothing. Hey, same thing, yeah? Alright then. Yeah.
You wanted to move.
Hey, look at that. Bring him on. Oh, hey, caught something.
You caught something, you got oyster. Man, I got oyster. You got oyster. You got clanting. What was that? I don't know. Pull it out.
It's a sharp
one.
You got? Yeah, I'm on.
Say nothing. Say nothing. Hey.
Well done. Look at that. Patience pays. That's it.
We're catching our lads. We're catching. No.
Oh, you there?
Lift up the rod, Jake. Lift it up.
What we got?
You
top there.
Oh, what is that? Get up! Look at that, that's a shot! Jake, you gotta hold that.
Oh, can I take a picture of that?
It calls cat
You gotta
shots
hold
now.
that.
Someone get a quick time.
Get up! Get a picture, I ain't got my...
Roses. Oh, who's got that phone ASAP?
Get the phone, man! Someone get their phone out!
You're a vicious little bagger, aren't you?
That's one-way sandpaper.
Hey, for the gram, bro.
For the gram, bro. Yeah?
Sling him back.
Don't ever
Yeah, you
squeeze
ain't
him too
eating
hard.
that.
Why?
That's dead, bro.
No, he's not. Nah, they got
Like,
fucking.
he swim.
Wouldn't it be better to go near that?
Nah, to get the fish.
I want to be as far away from that motherfucker as possible.
Yeah, they'll be real.
Because he's scale. You take the piss and scale all the fish.
Really? He's near fish, though, isn't he?
Showing off his like, look at my place, bitches.
See,
One day we're right here, yeah?
you see the field?
There's great fish in there, all of a sudden went quiet.
Sit down there, sit down! Where the camera there? On there, what's he?
Yeah, make him come this way a little bit.
Oh no,
You know,
he's got my
walk him
line.
away. No, yeah, keep it there.
You that
Oh,
there?
he's having a little
You
run.
that there?
Lower it down a bit.
Okay.
That's it.
Hey. Hey.
Look, see, Reed. They're the
Tiny
girlies.
though,
Look,
innit?
they're pink.
Look at that.
The girls are pink.
And the boys are blue.
They got green and they've got gold bars on them.
Well, that don't look
Everything
big
the girl
enough.
loves.
That don't look big enough.
You richer than the fisherman ain't cool.
Fisherman.
That's hard.
Fish about though. Seagulls in the fucking seals.
Yeah.
They wouldn't be
All
hit.
close, innit?
Then let's move on next spot.
Yeah? Come then. Say it, bud.
Nah,
Okay.
two bream. You got a big bream. The biggest bream in there was yours. Nah, that's Des's.
I got a bream. I know I got a bream.
There's his top tip.
Pink one.
Des has got the female. That's the
I know I
female.
got a bream.
That's the female.
All rods in.
All the rods in.
Food, you know.
Hey.
Where's this building classic?
First location, battery's gonna die.
And we need to drink these beers out.
You got 6 hooks on that. You got 6 hooks on it.
No, ain't the mackerel one.
Oh.
Oh, your mate's gone. Hang on one second.
What we got, boys? Boy, this is
Yeah.
right and tough, you know.
Yeah, bream.
Easy now.
Alright.
Yes,
Wait, look, what did I say? Right side of the mouth. Didn't I say that?
Cheeks.
Thing's flapping like a wanker, bro.
Today, I don't want to gut them soft.
Okay.
Yeah, because they're like bad. I want to gut them.
Yeah.
Like whitefish, you want to do immediately.
Not whitefish, what are they?
No, these are sea bream. They're like similar to dolphin. Yeah, so they're easy, safe to handle because these spikes will get in you if you don't.
Yeah.
You scrape all the scales off backwards. Yeah, in water. That way they don't go everywhere, and you can just dig like a egg gets to them. So you got to keep them on ice really nicely.
Yeah.
And then, so there you take that out. I like to get the gill out as well.
Yeah.
So I put my finger in behind there, and I just break the gill out. Break the gill down, and then you should be able to pull the gill, and then all the gut comes out like that in one go.
And that's it.
Yeah. You grab by the gill. You don't want to wash it too much.